This is the Earth, a magnificent place full of an extensive variety of flora and fauna, with beautiful landscapes and what seem to be unlimited resources, among many other features. This is the Earth we received 4.5 million years ago, but now it is.
All of this damage has been caused due to man activities and its irresponsible need to use the earth resources until they run off.
Humans have chosen a world full of what they consider a progress, but it is leading us to the end. And now, the earth is giving us a taste of our own medicine.
Currently, we're experiencing an enormous amount of changes, like the disappearance of seasons, the extinction of several animal and plant species, the appearance of devastating diseases like coronavirus, and natural disasters that we had never seen before. And with all the uncertainty of what is the plan that the future has for us, being our main concern the quick evolution of climate change.
But is our home about to end? Is climate change bringing us to an end? People often mistake weather and climate, both very similar, but it is worth mentioning that they are two sides of the same coin.
Weather, according to NASA, is the way how the atmosphere behaves. This is mainly related to human life and daily activities. It has a very short and fast period of change. It can be given in a couple of minutes. Its main elements are sunlight, rain, cloud cover, winds, hail, snow, sleet, freezing rain, ice storms, and thunderstorms. On the other hand, climate is a description and analysis of the weather in a particular area of the planet. It has very slow and long periods of change. It may take years to change. Its main elements are precipitation, temperature, humidity, sun radiation levels, and wind velocity. Climate change is the answer humanity receives when it acts unconsciously with any other form of life. A man in a mirror. All of its actions reflected. When bad treatment is given to anything the world has given us, this mirror will show us the bad treatment. Climate change means a significant change in the measures of climate, such as temperature, rainfall, or wind, lasting for an extended period, decades or longer. And although it has changed many times throughout history, human activities are significantly contributing to natural climate change throughout our emissions of greenhouse gases, resulting in increased air and ocean temperatures, drought, melting ice and snow, rising sea levels, increased rainfall, flooding, and other.
Which brings us to our next question. Is the Earth's climate changing?
Our hypothesis is the Earth's climate is changing. Most of these climate changes are attributed to very small variations in Earth's orbit that change the amount of solar energy our planet receives. However, it is highly suspected that all these changes are caused due to human activities. But what is the cause of climate change? It may have many causes, but the ones we consider that are affecting more in our local area are 1. Greenhouse caused agriculture. 2. Disease. 3. Climate change affects biodiversity.
Climate change is seriously affecting the way people live nowadays, like increased temperatures, wildfires, or decline of water supplies being some of the main collateral effects. But one of the main causes are the emission of greenhouse gases due to agriculture and livestock. These two activities are producing powerful gases like methane and nitrous oxide, which are truly harmful for the environment, causing serious damages.
But this not only affects the environment, it's also damaging for humans, leading to an increase in the rate of diseases and encouraging the creation of new viruses, like coronavirus, that change radically the interactions between people and the whole environment.
It can also affect the biodiversity in the world, making drastic changes in many habitats, making species migrate or adapt more frequently, giving rise to the extinction of innumerable living things. This can start wounding the balance between several ecosystems and biomes of the planet.
If this situation continues to be equal by 2050, the Earth will experience a spiral fall from which it will be almost impossible to recover.
This initiative can start from the school, because we cannot wait for the government to solve everything. Since in emerging countries like Mexico, climate change is not always a priority.
We are interested in generating strategies and arguments that show the need that exists to introduce local citizen participation mechanisms to face climate change.